Right now, there's tons of people making money on TikTok with 0 followers, no creator rewards program, and no TikTok shop affiliate. Literally just posting simple videos selling a digital product that they can make in less than 30 minutes. And the craziest part is that some of these accounts are literally starting from completely scratch and turning these pages into consistent income every single month without even having a follower mark. Because these people are using specific types of content in order to convert views to sales right away. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how this works, the exact types of digital products that people are selling, and the exact content styles that are working for these people right now. If you don't know who I am already, I've made multiple 6 figures from posting content online and selling digital products, doing TikTok shop affiliate and the creator rewards program. So I'm going to walk you guys through how you can take a specific niche, create a digital product around it in less than 30 minutes, and how to create content for that product that actually converts views to sales. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, boys. So this is the first account we're going to start by looking at. And as you can see, it is a bunch of food slideshows basically of different meal plans. This account's built up to 76,000 followers now. I've been watching it for quite a while. It didn't even start that long ago. They've only got about like 30 slideshows in total. And as you can see, the views are very, very consistent. 78K, 50K, 100K, 100K, 28K, 20K, 200K. So yeah, the views are very, very consistent with this, and it's super high leverage because all you're doing is posting slideshows. Like I could get 10 of these videos or slideshows out per day. And I'm sure this dude has scaled to multiple accounts on TikTok. I would not be surprised. This is the only one I've seen though. So yeah, this is one of the most simple accounts when it comes to selling digital products. It's very, very straightforward. The first slide is always something like high protein meals for cutting, and then it just goes straight into every single slide is just telling you the calories and the macros of it. And I don't know how well you guys can tell, but these are AI generated images. And then also in the middle of the slideshow, they have a recipe thing. And this is very, very good and essential for converting viewers to buyers because you're showing people what it looks like inside of the product. So as you can see, it's got that specific meal with the instructions on how to make it and everything like that. Then it goes into another meal and then another recipe for that specific meal. And these videos do extremely well when it comes to views because people save these videos all the time. As you can see in this caption right here, it says high protein meals that'll make you cut easier. Save this for your cut. And if we look at the saves, it has basically the same amount of saves as likes, 150,000 likes, 148,000 saves. And saves are huge on TikTok right now. If you can even get like a 3/4 ratio to how many likes you have to saves. And what I mean by that is if you get like 100,000 likes and you have like 75,000 shares, that will most likely get your video a lot of views because that is good engagement when it comes to saves. And so that's all they're doing across this entire account. So let me show you guys exactly how I would make this type of meal plan cookbook digital product for myself. And you can do this with AI in under 10 minutes. So this is exactly how. I personally use autodigital.io for my products because I am yet to find a better digital product generator. When it comes to overall quality, speed, and just getting it out to the market as fast as possible, I have not seen a better product or a better tool to make digital products than AutoDigital. So all I'm gonna do to get started is create a new ebook. I'm gonna do AI assisted because it's just so much easier when AI does most of the work for you. And now it's gonna ask us what we want to make. I'm gonna do, I want a cookbook with tons of different meal plans specifically for people trying to lose weight. I want the title to be something like meals that work for you. I think that's a decent title. All right, now we'll send that, and now the AI is gonna think about it. All right, cool. And now it gave us a cookbook template that's called Meals That Work For You. And now in order for it to get the best output, it's asking me a few questions. And so I'm going to answer these. What types of meal plans or recipes do you want to include? Any unique approaches? Who exactly am I trying to help? And the specific tone. The best part about AI is that I don't have to really find these answers for myself. I'm just going to say, I want the meals to be for people who really need help losing weight. So meals that aren't that high in calories, but high in protein. Yeah, that sentence alone pretty much tells the AI that I want this to be for people who want to lose weight and I want it to be about meals that will help people lose weight. So we're gonna send that. Now it's gonna ask, do we want it to sound more professional, casual, or inspiring? I'm definitely going to go with professional. And now it's doing most of the work. All right, cool. And now we're going to just generate the outline. And boom, just like that, we've already got 9 different chapters in the entire outline for our book that would have taken me at least like a few weeks to do. Not only would you have to find all the information, you'd have to put it on a Google Doc, make images, get the images, put it on a PDF, get all the images on Canva, make it look nice, add coloring, add different fonts. It would just be so much more of a pain to do all manual, which is why I absolutely love this tool. Especially when you get to running multiple accounts with different digital products, like you do not have the time to just make these products manually, I'm telling you. If If we wanted to, we can even add a few chapters, but I think this just covers basically everything. So I'm going to approve the outline. And now it's just going to ask us a final question saying, are you ready to prepare the final ebook generation? I'm just going to say yes. And boom, just like that, our entire ebook is ready to generate. It's got 9 chapters, it's professional tone, and it's got photorealistic images, and it's called Meals That Work For You. So we're gonna generate this. And now this process usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes, but while this is generating, I'm gonna show you guys one of the sites that I'm running. So this is one of the guides. I've already went over this in one of my previous videos. I'll put it up on the screen, but I'm running a looks maxing page selling a looks maxing digital products to help you look better. And when it comes to payment processing, you guys can really use anything. Like WAP is super easy to set up with your payments. And when it comes to making your site, I used Wix. You can literally just use like an LLM, like Lovable. I don't even know if ChatGPT can do a site yet, but I know Lovable, Base 44, and a few others can make you a site in like a few clicks. But yeah, I just made my site with Wix, and I connected the payments to these packages with WAP. And now our digital product is completely finished, and I think it looks great. If you wanted to edit anything, by the way, this is the product on the side, what it would look like in the full functional output. After we would obviously export it as a PDF, and it looks super professional. I think it's around 70-ish pages, so it's a lot of information for the viewers. And then if you guys wanted to edit anything, you can just go to the middle tab and start clicking away and edit whatever you want to edit. You can add a paragraph, take things away, change the titles, basically do whatever you want to do because it is your product. But honestly, the AI does it perfectly every single time, and there's usually no editing for me to do. Like in order for you guys to actually make an ebook manually and get this type of output, it would take ages. But yeah, now that our ebook is ready to sell, I would just export this, make a website in like 15 minutes, connect the payments to WAP, which takes another 5 minutes, and then you would be good to go and ready to start marketing for it. I would not even pay that much attention when it comes to making your website. Like your website is probably one of the least of your worries when it comes down to only strictly your marketing and your product. If your product's good, you're gonna have really good word of mouth, and people are gonna spread it to other people and send your account to other people, be like, yo, this meal plan is actually goated. But if you have a shitty product, you're most of the time gonna have disputes and just people aren't gonna trust you. So my biggest things for you guys would be to focus on your product and focus on the marketing. I forgot to mention, but one of the best parts about selling digital products is that you can do it across multiple different platforms, not just TikTok. Instagram does tend to convert better simply because you can have a link in bio from 0 followers. And when you click on the link in bio, it's much more seamless than when you click on a link in the bio of a TikTok account. But this is another page selling a digital product through WAP. So you can even just have it through WAP, and WAP is basically like a website as well. And then obviously WAP covers all the payment processing as well. As you can see, this guy, which is named Raj Patel, is completely an AI person. He's selling a $20 ebook on how to make money, or how to like maintain wealth basically. And as you can see, he's doing just a bunch of AI videos to market it, of this guy sitting in nice cars, nice places, just talking about wealth. And as you can see, some of these videos absolutely pop, getting 947,000, 32K, 11K, 200K, 200K, 500K. And this account, I believe, just started and is at 17K. Yeah, it started in March of 2026 and is at 17.3 thousand followers. When it comes to making AI avatars like this, there's so many different sites out there like HeyGen or Higgsfield or whatever you want to use. It's all up to preference basically, but they all pretty much have the same output because they all use Kling. And long story short, Kling is the software that people use to make these AI videos. So let's just watch one of these that blew up so you guys can get an idea of how they're marketing it.
Indians don't split the bill. Here's exactly why that makes us richer than you. You go to dinner with 6 friends and spend 20 minutes calculating who had what. Indians pick up the whole check. No calculator, no Venmo, no awkwardness. Because my father taught me at 13, the man who fights over small money will never be trusted with big money. You penny pinch with friends and wonder why nobody brings you deals. We pay $600 for dinner and get a $2 million opportunity from the trust we built at that table. Cheap is the most expensive thing you can be. If you want to learn how to make and invest money in 2026, click the link in my profile or comment money, and I'll personally send you my full playbook on how to do it.
As you guys can see, that video really wasn't even engaging that all, and it still blew up because it's targeting these people who are insecure about their finances. They just want to make money, and they're usually not even able to tell that this person is AI, especially if they watch all the way to the end and comment money. Because if somebody realizes it's AI, they're probably just going to scroll immediately, but the people who don't scroll usually don't even realize that this person is not real. And so why don't we try and use Auto Digital to make a wealth ebook as well? So we're going to do the same steps as usual. I'm going to say I want a product basically teaching people the secrets about how to properly manage and create wealth like rich people, right? And then it's going to give us our wealth blueprint. The title will be Wealth Blueprint, Secrets of Financial Elite. Never mind, it's giving us options for the title. So I actually like this first one the best that says Wealth Blueprint, Secrets of the Financial Elite. The other two options are Master Your Money, the Wealth Creation Playbook, or Rich Habits Revealed, Unlocking Your Financial Potential. So I'm going to go with number 1. Now we're going to generate the outline for this business guide with the business template. And now, as you can see, we already got our outline with all the chapters. We're going to approve this. Now it's just going to take a few seconds and our outline should be completely done and ready to generate. Boom, just like that. 7 chapters, tone professional, photorealistic images. Subtitle is proven strategies to build, and I can't see the rest. And same thing with the title. Boom, generate ebook. Let's see how this one turns out. All right, boys, now our wealth ebook is completely generated. As you can see, it is all right here. Basically fundamentals of money, how to keep it, how to maintain it, what to do with it, best ways to invest it, all the whole gist. And as you can see, we can edit anything in here. Looks good, ready to sell, complete product made that would have taken me hours and hours and hours to do, all in about 10 minutes. And now we're gonna look over one more account. This is another extremely high leverage account because these videos and slideshows they're posting do not take long to make at all. This account already has 485,000 followers, and I've went over this account in another video and you guys would not believe me, but this guy is running multiple accounts that have, I think, over a combined 1 million followers on TikTok. He has like 4 other of these exact type of accounts. As you can see, he's posting slideshows with basically the same way the cookbook was doing it, but showcasing an ebook of trading, like helping people learn how to day trade and things like that. And if you guys can't tell already, these are AI generated images. I'll put the video on the screen, but I went over exactly how you guys can make these images step by step in that video. And also they're posting videos too, like simple edited videos that basically show like trading's the way to make it out. And this one got 208,000 views and it was posted like 3 days ago. And as you can see, they're posting all of these slideshows and videos marketing this right here. And as you can see, they're marketing trading ebooks that they were showcasing in the slideshows. And they have a whole bunch of different ones in every single language you can think of, but this page absolutely sucks. So they're probably not converting as good as they can be, but they're definitely making money because they have over 1 million followers across all their pages on social media. But yeah, this is just another extremely easy example of how to start selling digital products and how to actually sell things online and make money. As you can see, guys, with the power of AI, it's only getting easier and easier to start making money online. Like when I started my online money journey about 3 years ago when I was a sophomore in high school, I did not have the tools that we have today that can literally get your digital product out to the market in less than 30 minutes. It used to take like at least a few weeks or months to actually get something going. And the reason that it makes it easier is not just because of how quickly it gets it to the market, but it's how quickly you can start testing things on your own. You can test what products convert the best, what niche converts the best, what actually works, what is the best for your type of content. And so simply what AI has been doing is making it so much easier to actually have the most trial and error to see what works for you. But if you guys wanted proven formats and methods and content strategies that actually work, I'll have the premium group down in the description below. And if you guys had any questions for me specifically, join the free community down below. I have an entire free course going over TikTok Shop and the Creator Rewards program. So yeah, if you guys had any questions for me, just text me in the free community. Yeah, other than that, make sure you guys like and subscribe because I'm always uploading on this YouTube account, just dropping the most sauce. Without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next video.